Hi, this is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson. We have Julia in here with us this morning, and Julia has been run through the medical mill since she was a little girl, teenager, right?
Younger
than that, even, yeah. So tell them about your history as far as your medical experience and what they told you when you first went in with back pain when you were a child. What did they tell you? That children don't have back pain,
and the only two things that could be wrong is that I need more exercise or more attention. And that started at 6, from what I can remember. Yes, and then as a teenager, and then as an adult.
Yeah. Well, as an adult though, you've had 3 epidural steroid injections, right?
And 3 radiofrequency
and 3 ablation therapies, yeah, on your SI joints, which is finally, they were all trying to diagnose lumbar herniation so they could do surgeries on you, but nobody ever really diagnosed your SI joint issues.
Everyone said they couldn't do surgery.
Until you went to see a pain management doc and he found that it was your SI joint, which I also discovered in my examination too. Okay. What else would you like to share with them about your previous chiropractic experience?
Usually chiropractors would make me worse.
Because they twist you on your side.
Because they would twist me around, and then when I'd say that they didn't help me, they would say that that's how they knew that I was making it up, because chiropractors would fix what was wrong with me.
So you're making it up all over the place.
I was just lying. If they didn't fix me, I must have been lying.
Okay, well, I believe you.
Thank you.
Because I checked you out and I saw it for myself, so. Okay. Is there anything else you would like to add to your story before I get started with my treatment on you? Because I've already done her history exam. I looked at her diagnostics, which she was so kind to bring in. That was very important. She does have significant curvature in her spine, which is called scoliosis. And they said they measured like 42 degrees back when you were high school or something?
No, my last one in 2016 was 42.
Yeah. So she's got a 42 degrees Cobb angle scoliosis in her thoracic spine region. She's got a lot of ribs out of place. She's a hairdresser, so she's bent forward doing people's hair all the time, and she gets neck and shoulder pain quite frequently that radiates mostly down into her left shoulder area. Is that correct?
Yes.
Yeah.
Everything's
and then do you have headaches? I said, do you ever get headaches? She said, well, yeah, occasionally. I said, well, how often is that? Twice a week? By the way, if you have headaches, within normal limits for headaches is 1 to 2 per year. So if you're having headaches beyond that, that's more than just occasional.
It's been a long road, so yeah. I'm ready to
She's here for the big ring dinger today. Okay, spread your feet just a little bit. There you go. Okay, let's show them your posture. Let's have you flex forward and backwards for me, please. That hurt to go backwards, didn't it?
It's crunchy.
Yeah. See, your head's forward and a little bit over to the right of center. Take a look in the mirror. See how your right shoulder looks lower than your left one?
Yeah, it's always been.
And your pelvis has shifted way to the right. You don't have any room over here where you got a little light here. See that, my pin?
And I've always been
lopsided.
Both sides, yeah.
Okay. So this is her very first Johnson chiropractic technique adjustment today. And so, like I said, we've already done her exam, so I'm just going to go ahead and start her on the BioPhysics table here, face down. Don't fall on the floor. I haven't lost a patient on the floor yet.
I'm trying my best.
So, it's really important in evaluating SI joint issues. She has a right leg that's a ½ inch shorter than her left leg in this position. However, when I bring it up, it gets even. And that tightens up in her low back and SI joint region as well as her thighs. And I come up here and palpate her left SI and she about comes off the table. Her entire lumbar spine has flattened out due to the muscle spasm that she has in there. In the thoracic spine, she's got misalignments with the ribs all up and down through her thoracic spine. That's called costovertebral subluxations. Cervical spine, she's way out right there to the left. That's what's causing your pinched nerve out into your left shoulder right there. And right there too. And right there's where your occasional headaches are coming from. So we did the sacral deviation test on her, and hers was positive on the left. She couldn't raise her left leg up near as high as her right leg. So I'm going to get started adjusting her SI joints first. I'm going to do the left one first. Some of these are going to be a little sore at first, Julie, because they've been out for years.
Yeah.
Putting it mildly, huh?
Yeah.
Yep. These guys are really going to be sore. Yep. Yes, ma'am. Mm-hmm. Okay. There you go. I knew I had one more.
Oh.
Okay, so now you're exactly even. And I bet you that feels easier already
Yeah.
than the first one did.
That's way more intense than it looks on YouTube.
That's true. There you go, good. Okay, let's turn you on your back. Yes, it's definitely better in person though. I'll let you be the decider of that after we're done.
It's like,
Can't see nothing yet. Okay. You can keep your knee bent if you need to. And get your head up here over your spine where it's supposed to be. Yep, slide down this way a little bit, right there. Now put both arms straight out to the sides for me, palms facing up. There you go. Adjust both your AC joints, your clavicles, your costosternal joints. Good. Okay, you can relax your hands on your tummy. Let me have this right leg. There you go. You should have felt that from your knee all the way up to your lower back. Uh-huh. Same here. Let this go. There you girl. Good. Yes, ma'am. So in case y'all haven't noticed, I'm a little more aggressive than most chiropractors because I grew up getting adjusted by a Palmer graduate. And I was taught to adjust at Palmer. There's your right shoulder. And then acquired some additional skills over my 38 and a half years of being in practice. There you go. See, shoulders are out too. Most hairdressers I know have wrist issues too. Yours wasn't that bad though.
My hands and wrists, thank God, have been.
And there's your elbow. Yeah, your wrists aren't that bad.
I've only had thumb surgery, that's it.
The right, left thumb, right,
The right thumb.
For what? Trigger thing.
It
trigger?
wasn't even from
Here, let's
hairdressing.
come over this way. All right, so I'm gonna have you lay on your back on this table, but right here, head up this way. There, good. You can lay flat. I'll get this in from the side. It'll feel tight, and it should. Not going anywhere now, are you?
Dude, that's the put on the skinny jeans.
It's our weight reduction program. I just squeeze it out of it. Just relax your legs for me here. Good. Okay, so on this one, you want to keep your teeth together. Breathe through your nose. Exhale and wiggle your right big toe.
Oh my God!
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, holy shit.
Yep. Keep breathing. There you go. Keep breathing. Atta girl. I promise you, your head's still attached. Here, just relax. You're okay. There. She's still kicking. All right. Okay. Just keep breathing. Deep breath. There you go. In through your nose, out through your mouth, just like that. Perfect. Let me do this. Wiggle your left ear. There you go. Now wiggle your right ear. There you go. Yep, crackhead's gonna be loving on you. Yes, ma'am. You're gonna be sore this first 72 hours, so get some crushed ice at home and put it in a little Ziploc freezer baggie right on the skin for 20 minutes. Let me help you up sideways. Bring your legs over.
Hold on. I got this.
Wow. Good girl. There you go. See, she knew how to get it properly. That's good.
Been practicing
Let's stand you right over here in front of the mirror now. Okay. So, Julie, we're going to have you close your eyes again and flex your head forward and backwards again. I'll make sure you don't fall. Then back to neutral. Take a look in the mirror right now compared to before. Look at the space on both sides now.
I don't think I've ever seen my shoulders straight.
Yeah, I know.
Like ever in my
Pretty
entire
cool,
life,
huh?
ever.
So here's your homework though. You're gonna pull your shoulders up and then back like this. Flare these guys way back here like that. See how it tightens up that whole trap? Okay, so your head's forward and a little bit right, so we come straight back. Translate left. Now shift your pelvis left. No, shift it. Straight left. Straight left. Translate it. Okay, now look at the wall behind you. Keep your pelvis shifted straight left. Straighten your head up a little. There you go. You'll feel a little tap there.
What is that?
This is an Atlas adjusting instrument. It's a high velocity, low amplitude adjusting instrument that adjusts your Atlas on the x-axis surrounding your medulla oblongata, which is your brainstem.
Okay.
Guess what that controls, by the way?
Everything?
Autonomic function, breathing, circulation comes right out of the medulla. And tell them what you suffer with. Asthma and allergies,
yeah.
and have for a long time.
Yes.
Okay, so I'm gonna have you close your eyes again and bend your head forward and backwards again. You tell me if this feels any smoother than the previous one did.
Oh, yeah.
Imagine
Crunching.
that. Yeah. Take a look. Look how we have room on both sides now.
I don't think I've ever.
That's, and your shoulders are squared off, your head's up and back more now.
Like, I've never ever seen my hips straight.
Yep.
In my entire life ever.
Well, you're looking at it now.
That's amazing.
There's always the first for everything, huh?
Yes.
And you just became the newest member of Team Ring Dinger.
Thank you.
So that's a new experience for you, huh?
Yes.
That one?
Yeah, that was.
We're gonna have to do that a few more times to get you stabilized.
Yeah, I'm
Yeah.
sure it'll get better.
But I'm not twisting you on your side, you notice. I didn't twist you on your side.
Yeah.
I don't do that adjustment here, nor do I ever
This
recommend
is-
that.
And this is the first chiropractor visit. I am not limping out. I've never been able to walk straight out of the chiropractor ever.
No,
Yeah. It's pretty
I'm not impressed because I see it every day.
I am.
Okay, well, good. I'm glad.
Alright.
That's we hope to beat people's expectations, not just meet them. So did this meet with your expectations?
Even more so, yes.
Was your history and examination thorough, by the way?
Yes. I think that no doctor that I would see would look at everything up until the past 10 years and think any of it was connected, ever.
Mm-hmm.
So, yes.
Okay, well,
Times better.
welcome to the club.
Thank you.
This is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas. We'll see y'all soon.